In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix lag in Roblox and you can enjoy it more faster. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Roblox, as you can see right here. Now I have no lag, so I'm gonna show you how I did it. First thing, go to the top corner here, click on Roblox logo and go to settings, and then make sure now to copy all my settings. The first option off, camera mode default, the movement mode default, the camera sensitivity in 1, like this, and what else? Now the graphics mode manual, the graphics quality in 1 here, the full screen off, and the micro profiler, the performance states, and the camera inverted, all of them are off. Then click resume, and congratulations. See you later in the next video. Don't forget to like.